Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to record and export history in Paint 3D. So if we want to enable recording of history, we need to go to History tab, and then we need to enable this option to enable start recording. After that, we need to insert here any changes. For example, I will select this one, brush marker, and then I will draw something here. Maybe I will insert 2D shape, so I click on this one tab, and for example, I will add here a circle. Now we can go to history, and we can export this history as video. So I click on it, and we can select here location and type file name that we want to use. For example, I will type here a name for this file, like history recording. Of course, we have here .mp4 extension, and if you want to save it, you need to select here save button. How you see your video is being saved, and it has been successfully exported to MP4 file. So if I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.